According to ACP Camara, nothing of police interest was found after the police and the community people conducted a preliminary search on the boats. He assured the public that the police will continue its investigations, noting the police will not leave any stone unturned.
Thoroughly they searched the boat, but honestly, at the end of it all, there was nothing of police interest, nothing of security concern. And don't forget to be the search the boat. The committee never did it. In fact, they didn't at the scene before we reached there.
AIG Francis Mendy, Freetown East Region, told his audience that they cleared the Eastern Police Axis, stating armed robbery, fraud, and illegal possession of firearms were among the cases they are currently investigating. The head of CID, ACP Aliu Jallo, said they are presently investigating some people who were caught by the police with firearms including pistols with over 40 live rounds and cartridges, money doubling, and forging of documents of different MDAs, police clearance, and birth certificates, among others. Director of Operations, AIG Dr. John Senesi, said the weapons that were arrested were not from the police, neither the military, stating they will trace the owners of such weapons. SLBC News, Abdul Mansari reporting.